vlogger. It puts the Philippines in a bad light na isang foreigner allegedly yung mag-expose ng corruption allegations within our own premises.
Isang vlogger na yan, wala naman pong ginawa yan kundi manira dito sa ating bansa, kaya nga po siya napakulong. So ano pa po bang aasahan natin sa katulad niya na ang gusto lamang po ay gumawa ng kwento at for the views.
What's up, guys? Welcome to my MTV Cribs. I know you've been wondering where I've been. As most of you guys know, I got arrested on April 2nd, 2025. I'm currently at Immigration Center of Warden Facility. I've been here for 69 days.
But tell me, bro, about that fucking experience, bro.
I'm not gonna talk too much about it.
Yeah, I don't want to get you in trouble.
No, not in trouble.
I gotta shave.
I had a phone the whole time. I had a phone the whole time in jail. I vlogged the whole experience, and I'm gonna expose corruption.
Oh, wow.
Everything.
Ang tindi, parang wala natang katapusan ng korupsyon sa Pilipinas. Kaya ito si John Vic Remulla, galit na galit sa Russian vlogger. Bakit mo pa in-expose? Nakakahiya tuloy sa administrasyon. Pero swerte pa rin itong Russian vlogger. Kahit nakakulong, may rasyon ka pa rin na pagkain. Dapat sa amin na lang sana yung pagkain mo. Sa maraming Pilipino nagugutom, napunta pa sa'yo. Kaya wag ka na magreklamo sa pagkain.
I know it sounds funny, but today actually marks 69 days. Check this out. These are our conditions. This is an isolation. I can't speak out loud because we're in the dark right there. These are my mates here, and I can't talk too long, but this is our breakfast. Yes. And why is it green? Don't ask me. One rice and one fish. I don't even want to know what that is. And our dinner. Wow. So much food. Let me show you why. If you guys are wondering why these bottles are here, that's rat protection. This place is infested with rats, cockroaches, hundreds of mosquitoes during the night here. It's absolutely disgusting. We've been trying to reach out to human rights people. This is so inhumane, but no one's responding. But this message is not about me. This is a message about all the people that are suffering in here. And I will tell you in 1 second. Come check out the bottle. This is how we shower. You guys are probably wondering if I dropped the soap. Not yet. Oops, I think I did. Alright. Jokes aside, come on. It's not to mention, it's 95 degrees Fahrenheit, or sometimes it's 100. It is boiling hot in here. But let's get to the serious part. Anyone's watching this video, there's people, civilians, and hundreds of people are suffering. Innocent people. If you overstay your visa, there's people.
Russian vlogger. It puts the Philippines in a bad light na isang foreigner allegedly yung mag-expose ng corruption allegations within our own premises. Is the government conducting parallel investigations with regard dun sa airing officials and yung alleged corruption schemes inside the Bureau of Immigration Detention Areas?
Even before naman po, yung Russian vlogger na yan, wala naman pong ginawa yan kundi manira dito sa ating bansa, kaya nga po siya napakulong. So ano pa po bang aasahan natin sa katulad niya na ang gusto lamang po ay gumawa ng kwento at for the views. But still, kung ano po ang nasabi dyan at maibubunyag po niya, dapat lamang po din nating malaman para magkaroon ng tamang pag-iimbestiga. Katulad ng ating sinabi, patuloy yung pag-iimbestiga ng Bureau of Immigration at tatlo nga po muli. Una po nagtanggal na sila ng tatlo. Ngayon po, tatlo pa rin po wala, natanggal, at tinanggap po ang courtesy resignation nila. So makakaasa po tayo, yes, bali 6 na po.
Okay. Ma'am, sorry, just to enumerate, warden, tapos
2 deputies.
tapos yung tatlo po.
Mga employees din po. Nauna po yun, yung binanggit ko po sa inyo dati.
Apo. Ma'am, is the palace satisfied with their resignation or them stepping down from their posts, or do you see a need to file actual cases against them should there be sufficient evidence after investigations?
Yes. Kung nakikita po sa ebidensya mga pang-aabuso at kung may issue ng korupsyon, dapat lamang pong imbestigahan. Katulad ng aking sinabi kanina, kung gusto nila na manatili sa kanilang posisyon at pwesto at manatiling miyembro ng gobyerno at empleyado ng gobyerno, dapat sumunod sila sa kautusan ng Pangulo. Huwag sumangkot sa issue ng korupsyon.
Asked from me, ma'am, does the palace see a need to reshuffle key officials within the Bureau of Immigration?
Again.
Does the palace see a need for a reshuffle inside the Bureau of Immigration following this controversy?
Depende po. Kailangan po maimbestigahan kung sino ba at kanino ba nagmula ang mga ganitong klaseng pang-aabuso.